Hey guys, Tim again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's great to see you, and if this is your first time, welcome. It's great to have you here. You've actually joined us on a pretty big day. Today, we're going to the gym. Don't worry, these workouts can be done at home. I'm going personally for filming purposes, just because my ceiling's a little low, but all of these exercises can still be done at home. I'm going to use my gym in my apartment complex, so it's pretty minimal. I like to get creative with it. We can still do a lot with the minimal equipment that we have. If you're ready for entering the gym today, I highly encourage you to do so. If not, don't worry, you can still stay at home. It's not really a big commitment. Think of it as a coffee date. We're going to go and meet the gym, see if we like it, if the vibes are on. If they are on, then great. Maybe we'll go on a second date with the gym. If vibes are off, maybe we'll just come home and delete its number. So not a huge commitment today with attending the gym. These workouts are still applicable for home. Today we're going to focus on legs. We're going to burn out our right side, then we're going to burn out our left side, and then we're going to finish with squats and burn out both sides at once. Again, we're going to do a 7-minute program, 7 exercises for 1 minute each. I hope you enjoyed today's workout. If you do, please click like, subscribe, share, and let me know in the comments what worked for you, what didn't work for you, and we'll figure this out together. So I'll see you guys down at the gym. So welcome to my gym. So we're entering the gym space. There's some treadmills for some cardio. I'm heading over to our weight section. So you see over here, I've got a nice Smith machine. I'll use these for my squats, my chest press, and my back exercises as well. We've got a couple benches. We've got a flat bench and an incline bench. We can get creative with those. Over here, I've got some cables. These you can get really creative with, especially with the different accessories that come with it, the different equipment. You can really get creative with the cable machine for all muscle groups. I've got my assortment of dumbbells. You can use these for a lot. Mine go up to 25 kg, so that's about 50 pounds. So again, a good assortment of equipment here. We'll go to the other side of the gym. Over here, we've got our fly machine. Really great for chest and back, shoulders. A lovely leg machine for curls and extensions. We're gonna love that one. I've got some bikes. Funny story, I don't know how to ride a bike. So maybe I'll use these to get myself riding a bike at the ripe age of 37. And then I'll take you where we're gonna do our workout today for our legs. We've got a nice little yoga studio, some nice floor space, nice mirror. I actually dance in here with friends sometimes. And also we've got some ropes on the wall for some TRX, things like that, using the ropes and the body weight for different exercises as well. So today we're gonna spend our workout in the yoga studio. Again, you can do this workout at home. I'm just here for filming purposes. All we need is a bench and some dumbbells. So if you're at home, you could just use a chair, dumbbells if you have them, water bottles, or if you're not ready, you can use your body weight. So I'm gonna go grab our bench and some dumbbells and let's get started on leg day at the gym. All right, so we're going to start on our right side with a right reverse lunge. To be honest, right off the bat, I'm on the wrong leg. So I'm gonna feel that later. So make sure that you are lunging back onto your left foot so that we're working out the right leg. When you step back onto the left foot, we're only using that back foot for stabilization. When we come back to standing, we really want to push through that right heel and utilize that right leg. When you lunge back, your weight should be over your right foot, and then when you push up, neutralize that weight between both legs. And we'll move on to our next exercise, which is a right step up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So for the right step up, we'll put our right foot on the bench. Similar to the reverse lunge, that left foot is just for stabilization. We want to push through the right foot to bring ourselves up onto the bench. Bring that left foot to your right knee, find your balance, stabilize there, then come back to the ground. Push through that right heel, bring that left foot to the right knee, come back to the ground. Essentially, we're still burning out this right leg. Exhale and push. Bring that left foot to the right knee. Inhale and control on the way down. All right, we're going to move into a right side lunge. This will be our last exercise on the right leg. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to step out onto your right leg, put all of your weight over that right foot, and then push and come back to neutralize the weight between both feet. Make sure that knee is in the same path as your toe, similar to our reverse lunge. We don't want that knee to flare out or in. Step out, inhale, exhale, push back to standing. This is our last exercise on the right, moving to the left reverse lunge in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're going to repeat the exercises now on the left leg. As I said before, I'm definitely feeling this left reverse lunge since I already did it. Try to get that right knee to the ground, maybe 2 inches above, getting that left leg to a 90-degree angle. Again, making sure that that left knee is following the path of the left toe. We're just using that back right leg to stabilize. We're using the left leg to push and come back to standing. We'll move into the left step up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your left foot up on the bench. Again, just using that back right leg for stabilization. Exhale, push up, and then control inhale on the way down. We're pushing through the left leg, through the heel, and bringing that right foot to the left knee, finding our balance, and then controlling it on the way down. Do a few more of these step ups. The next exercise we'll do is the left side lunge. This will be the last exercise on our left leg. Moving on to our left side lunge in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're going to face front. Step out onto your left foot, put all of your weight over onto that left foot, and then exhale and push back to standing. Neutralize that weight between each exercise. Step out, make sure that knee is following the path of the left toe. Exhale and push back to standing. Listen to your body, but if you can do it, I challenge you to finish off this left leg. Now we're going to finish with some squats with a pulse at the bottom in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so now that we have burnt both our right and left leg out, now we're going to really finish out this circuit with some squats with both legs. Make sure your feet are about shoulder width apart, a little wider than your hips. Toes slightly turned out, making sure that the knees are following the path of the toes. Try to get as low as you can in this squat while keeping your back straight. All right, let's pulse in 5, 4, 3, 2, and pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you are done. Great job. All right, guys, so what did you think? Did you like the gym? Are we gonna go on a second date? Are we just gonna come home and turn on Netflix? Who knows? But that's the good thing. If things did go well today, wonderful. If they didn't go well, let's stay at home for a couple more exercises and then maybe go on a second date, see how we feel about the gym once we feel more comfortable and more familiar with our bodies, with our exercises, with the equipment, all of that fun stuff. Again, my gym is super simple, super minimal, but there's still a lot you can do with what you have. So as we do explore the gym and go back to the gym, I'll show you how you can get kind of creative with the minimal equipment that you're given at your home gym or whatever gym you use. I hope you enjoyed our leg day today. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you for our next 7-minute workout.